Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm gonna show you all and do a little update of my gold nugget molly babies. I hope you all enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Here are some of my little collections to enjoy. Some of my paintings, a little bear, my Pegasus, and over here is one of my flower pictures I have. And all my little bears I collect. Like this one, she's one of my favorites. And I love this bear my sister got me. A few little collections of puppies and whales and stuff. And hopefully I can catch a baby gold molly for you. Here's a Dory, one of my favorite. She's my peacock fish. She comes out later in the day. She kind of hides behind a shell. And this is my new blue platy, and my blue-tailed little guppy. It's an endler. They're called endlers when they're that little. My rotatilia plant, and my snail. And sometimes the babies are up in here, they move so fast. But they're doing really, really well. Oh, there's one, right here in the weeds. So they're getting bigger. There's one. You can see its little eye. And then my cobra endler is right here. I have two of those. And here's another little baby fry, if I can zoom in and find her. She's hiding in this Java fern. So I think that might be her right here. A little blurry. Well, here's two right there. I have 7. There's one back here. It's 3. Zoom in a little bit so you can see it. Right here, in the red heart lily plant. Swimming around. But yeah, they're pretty fast. They hide from the other fish. This is my sunshine fancy-tailed guppy. And here's the mom. She's a gold nugget molly. And then I have a panda molly down here. She's a female and this is a male. So we might get more molly babies later. I haven't been able to get any female guppies in a while, so won't have many of them, but maybe in the future. My heart water is doing alright up here too. My other snail is over here, so everybody's showing up today. Oh yeah, another little baby. Here's a good shot to behind the blue platy. Oh, I think it moved that quick. Right here. Oh, there it is. Yep, that's one. Try to zoom in. And a lot of them have one dark eye and one lighter eye. So there's still a forming. And another one back here. So that's, oh, there's two. 1, 2 here. So yeah, there's still a bunch of little babies swimming around. At least 7. To see their little eyes. Oh, it swam away. So they're still real small and cute. And Dory just watches over them, and this blue platy's too small to eat them, and they're so fast they just run away, swim away anyways. So, some like it in here. Yeah, there's some swimming. 4, 5, 6. So that's one 6. Oh, 7. There's the other one. That one's the biggest one, huh? So I have all different sizes. One is real small. I haven't caught up to the rest, but hopefully it will. Those are my little baby gold nugget molly babies for you. Hope you enjoy them as much as I do. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Love you out there.